Join me as I take on the challenge of writing clean and efficient JavaScript code with the goal of making it error-free. In today's fast-paced development environment, writing clean code isn't just important, it's crucial. Clean code leads to better performance, maintainability, and saves both you and your team a lot of time and stress in the long run. Have you ever inherited a messy codebase, or worse, written one yourself? We've all been there. Messy code can be a nightmare to debug and collaborate on. It makes development slower and meeting deadlines more difficult. That's why it's essential to take the time to write code that is clean, efficient, and easy to read. It starts with consistent naming conventions, which make your code easier to understand for others and for yourself in the future. Modularization is also key, breaking down large tasks into smaller, manageable pieces. Comments and documentation are equally important for explaining what your code is doing and why it's doing it. Suppose we have a JavaScript function that validates user input. A messy version might be one big block of code. By applying clean coding principles, we can refactor this into smaller functions, each with a clear responsibility. Once the code is refactored, it becomes easier to debug, easier to modify, and more reliable overall. This is the power of writing clean JavaScript. It saves time, reduces stress, and fosters better collaboration within teams.